So, gas ang pag-assume ng duty. Assume all duties and responsibility and including all items for the covered or disposed. Ayan. So guys, yung mga baguhan na guard, yan yung dapat yung gawin. And yung pag-turn over, PDR properly turn over to incoming guard is G ang kapalitan nyo and including all items po. Ganyan lang kadali. Thank you.
Wala kaming pakialam!